Hi, today we're going to learn different words. Look, what is this? This is a credit card. The girl here is the dentist. The boy in blue shirt is her patient. Dentist and patient. What is this? Yes, this is a piggy bank. What is this? This is an elevator. Elevator. Look, a player is playing with a basketball. Basketball. Oh, baby is crying. The baby is walking. Baby. This is a bird called toucan. Toucan. Whoa, astronaut. A chef is frying an egg. Chef. Look, a waitress is taking an order from the customer. Waitress. Oh, wow! They are playing tennis. Tennis.